Hello everyone. I welcome you in today's session. I know we are meeting after a long time, right? So I hope all of you are doing well. I today we will actually do how to make simple video and GIF on PowerPoint. I remember last time I showed you how to do the animations and other things on the PowerPoint, right? You remember? We produced some animations here. So let me share my screen. Let me open the PowerPoint and let's start from there. Okay. Okay, let me share my screen now. So let me know if you can see my screen, okay? Yeah, you can, okay? Good. So let's start it. Let's start with some topic. For example, let's take it like holidays or any topic. And let's have some additional slides. Why holidays are important. And here you can write anything. Research shows that 2 days off per week are important for employees' health. Okay. So like this thing, let's go to the next one. Okay. Data regarding holidays. And we can just insert the table. I'm just showing you because we did it last time, so you remember. Insert. Let's go to the table. Let's go to insert the table. Okay. This is what we did last time, right? I'm not going to fill the table completely. And let's insert a picture also. Holidays picture. Let's name it just simple. Keep simple everything. So we go to, you remember we go on the top ribbon to insert. Then we go to pictures, from device, stock images, online. We go to the stock images. And let's see what they have in stock images. Okay, so let's type here. Holiday. So you see so many pictures came up. You can even take the videos. Let's take the video about holiday. Holidays. Maybe they don't have holiday. Maybe this can we take this video. Actually, let me take this picture here. Just give me 1 second so I can put it and I can show you what I did, okay? So, okay. So what I did, I thought that this background of holiday looks good for the introductory slide, but not for the last slide. So what I did was, let me go back. I inserted the picture here, right? So what I did, I moved my mouse on the top of this video. I clicked right and I like this. Okay, wait. No, I don't know why it is not. Okay, let me select again. And if it is not coming, then I can show you how to do it manually. Yeah, here. You see, I moved my mouse on the top of this. Then I clicked right on my mouse here near the edges. And you see it is saying cut. I select and I click one left. It is cut. Now I want to go back here. I will click right on my mouse and I will paste it on my screen as a picture. I don't want to have it as a picture. I actually would like to have it as a video. So I think I can insert it again maybe. So, or maybe I can just take the theme from here. This looks good. Holidays. And I can insert it here back again. The video. Videos here. So let's have this video instead of going to some other video and wait for it. Okay. Now I can, you can even make it shorter. You remember? You see when these circles on the side of the video, you can even drag those circles. You can move your mouse to the corner, drag it to make it smaller, and you can even put your video here. You see these four arrows, these double arrows, I can make it bigger. These arrows means to move the video around, and these circles means to make it smaller or bigger. So I will just move it like somewhere in the middle. Okay, so let's see what else I can have in the designs. You remember, you can go to design on your top ribbon. Let me move you here. On the top ribbon, there is after insert, draw, there is design. So in the design, there it says on your right hand side, design ideas. I think we did it last time actually. So there are so many design ideas. Let's choose this one. I like this one more. Let's have a design for idea for this one too. Let's see which idea it has. So let's have this. Okay. We did all these things last time, right? So let's choose the simple one. And let's choose for this too. Maybe this one looks good, right? Okay. Here we can add any text, any graph, or anything what you want to add. But let me add some animations now. For example, I have a chat box in message. There is a break in the voice, but we don't know whether it is from you and from my. I don't think so. It's from my end because my signals are good and okay. I am going to add some animations here because then I will move to my next thing. So you remember how we added animation last time, right? So wait, let me go back. Okay. So how you do it, where you add I want to add animation here. So I will move my mouse on the top of this. I will press one left click. When I press, then you see it says to select. So I can either press Control A on my like keyboard. Control A means you are selecting everything. So if I have two sentences, for example, if I have one more, like everyone needs uh, to relax every week because of tough work week situation or anything. Let me first move it to this. This also we covered last time. So now I have 2 points. So I cannot use Control A from my keyboard. So what I will do, I will select first one first. I will go to animations. We did it last time, we remember. I will say fade it. And then I will go to the next one. And then I will say the fade in. So I would like to move it really to the top because I have a feeling that it is so below, but it's okay. Anyway, this and this. Okay, let me show you now how to convert it in the form of a video, okay? And with your voice in the backside. So what you go here, recording. So you see export to video, autoplay media, and record the slideshow. So we are going to do here, record the slideshow, okay? I'm going to click this before, record from the beginning. So I'm going to click record from the beginning. You see, it happens like this. So let's hit record button. And now you can say when it starts record button, you can say anything like, hello, hi, my name is this, and I am actually working in this department. I would like to show you what our holidays are. You can even write it. My name is Noin, or you can even highlight it. This we are talking today about the holidays. And then if you think you have talked enough, you can go. You see on your screen. Can you see my screen or not? What are you seeing on my screen? Can you type on the chat box? What are you seeing on my screen? Are you seeing a black screen with video functions? Let me pause it here first, the video. Yeah, okay, good. So we already recorded what we wanted to say on this slide. Now let's go to our next slide, okay. So this is done. I will stop it. And now I will go to my next slide and I can record here. So I will hit again this red button, record, one left click. And when it says one, ready, go. Holidays are important because you see the point came up, like both points came up. Research shows that 2 days off per week are important for, let me actually pause and stop. I think I hit these two buttons so fast. So I will actually record this slide again. Why holidays are important? Research shows that 2 days off per week are important for employees' health. Everyone needs to relax every week because of the tough work. Okay, so that's all what I want to say for this slide. So I will hit this stop button by one left click and it is recorded. Now I will go to my next slide and here I will start recording again. I will say one, start. Data regarding holidays is shown in this table. These countries have, I mean, if we have filled this table, we can say that these countries have these number of holidays. So the number of employers are more productive in these countries, etc., etc. We can say on this slide. When we are done for this slide, we can go to our top side. We can click stop button again, and then we can go to our next slide. Okay. So I have a comment. Okay, yeah. So here we can start recording again by clicking this red button. And here we can say 3, 2, 1, start. Okay. Here I am showing you a video of a little bit holiday, that how relaxing and calm holidays can be, etc., etc. So this is also done. Even I can make this point, I can stop it. It is recorded. I can even go back and do my slide again, right? Like here or somewhere, like here, for example. Let's start it again. I would actually like to show you what it means to have a holiday. As I have already shown that 2 days off are important, I would like to highlight my point here. I would like to highlight my point here too, right? So let's stop it, all our slides. Now let's see how it goes. 26, 18, 56. Okay, so we have already recorded. Now, what you see, my microphone is on. Here is also the video. Here is also a sign came up, right? So now I am going to actually close this completely. I can even show my video, but I cannot put my camera on because my camera is currently open for Zoom. This camera button is on your bottom ribbon on your right hand side next to the microphone. So my camera is cannot be on because it is used currently for Zoom. So you can close it. And now this is all turned into the video, right? You can see there is a button here with a microphone. So it means video is on. The next thing we can do, you can see under the recording button, there is a button, export to video. Move your mouse above there, click one left. When you click one left, it asks you create video, then click one left again. Now it is going to create video. I am going to save it on my desktop and then we can play it. I will say save. So it will just take a time. You can see that it is still loading. While it is loading, and we will be doing some, let me see how much is it left. Okay, it is still a little bit slow. And then after that, we will watch it together and then I will have questions from you. Okay. Let's get it done. It will just take like 2, 3, 4 minutes. I actually wanted to show you how to create a GIF also today, but I think it is too much for today. So meanwhile, when it is loading, I will stop sharing my screen and I will pause. I will start recording again and let me share my screen with you. And you can see the video is completely saved. You can see that the bar in the bottom ribbon is no longer there, right? It is gone. So the bar in the bottom ribbon is gone. So it means it is completely done. Now I will stop sharing and I will share my screen again. Okay, give me 1 second. Just need to turn off my notes. Okay. So let me share my screen like this. Let me go down. You see here is the video on my desktop. So I will click. I will either double click it or I will click one right on the mouse and I can say play or open. I will know like, hello, hi, my name is this. Can you see this video? When I play that video, can you see that video or not? Or let me share only the video with you so that you can see it. Like, hello. Okay. Okay, so you can see my video or not? The video that I opened. Just say in the chat box or just move your hand. I will know that you have seen. You are seeing the video. You can? Okay. Okay. If you can see the video. So you see, this is the video we prepared. I am going to play it and then I will be quiet and you can hear what we said when we recorded the video, okay? Like, hello, hi, my name is this, and I am actually working in this department. I would like to show you what our holidays are. You can even write it. My name is Noe, or you can even highlight. This we are talking today about the holidays, and then if you think you have talked enough, you can go. You see on your screen. Can you see my screen or not? What are you seeing on my screen? Can you type on the chat box? What are you seeing on my screen? Are you seeing a black screen with video functions? Let me pause it here first. I would actually like to show you what it means to have a holiday. As I have already shown that 2 days off are important, I would like to highlight my point here. I would like to highlight my point here too, right? So let's stop it. Data regarding holidays is shown in this table. These countries have, I mean, if we have filled this table, we can say that these countries have these number of holidays. So the number of employers are more productive in these countries, etc., etc. We can see on this slide. When we are done for this slide, we can go to our top side. We can click stop again. Here I am showing you a video of a little bit holiday, that how relaxing and calm holidays can be, etc., etc. So this is also done. Even I can make this point. I can stop. So now let me stop sharing my screen. So you have seen that in that video that I have shown you just now, we made that video on PowerPoint, right? So you could hear in the background whatever I was saying in the background during when we were making the video. Why? Because I was recording my voice. Okay. So let me stop here and let me share my screen for PowerPoint and then I will ask you questions how we made that. Okay, so I have now question. If I want to record a video, where should I go? On the top ribbon, where should I go if I want to record a video? Can you please unmute yourself or type in the chat box? Where should I go if I want to record a video?
Go to new slide.
No, when I want on the top ribbon, new slide. Okay, let's go to new slide. New slide will only open the new slide. You see, a new slide came up, but we are not doing the new slide right now. So where should I go to record the video?
Insert.
Where?
Insert.
No, if I go to insert, it will ask me pictures you want to insert, you want to insert a new slide, you want to insert a table, you want to insert shapes, you want to insert icons or a chart. It does not show me recording anywhere, does it? It is only to insert the media. So where should I go for the recording?
Record.
Where is that record?
Up.
Up where? Where is it in up?
Media.
What?
Media.
Where is the recording button?
Media.
Media is not. You remember we talked about it. In media, there is video. You can insert a video. You can insert an audio. You can go to media and do the screen recording too. But where is the actual another where more with more features of recording? Where is that? Can you know? Can you see or read it where you are seeing the recording?
Recording is on the menu bar.
On the menu bar. You go to recording on the menu bar.
Where?
Go to recording on the menu bar.
Yeah.
Menu bar.
And then
Recording.
what can I do next?
You click on it.
Click on what? Now these when I clicked recording,
Click on video.
click on video. What is video? Video, when I move my
Yes.
mouse over the video, it shows me, it means insert a video set to autoplay. We are not going to do that. I want to record my slides, what I am saying. I'm not inserting a video. I want to record my video. So what should I do? Where should I go for recording? Any idea? So I go to record
Record slide.
okay?
Screen.
No, screen recording is different. I can show you what screen recording is just in a minute. I will go to record slideshow. And now when I click below record slideshow, which option should I choose? Should I choose record from current slide or should I choose record from beginning?
From beginning.
Beginning, right, exactly. So I will choose right from beginning just to give you an option. I'm not going to record it. So let's see what opens. Now what should I hit to start recording and stop recording? If I want to start recording, which button I should click? It should be start recording or stop recording or replay. Or out of these three buttons, which should I click?
Recording.
Yeah, recording. And when I am done with this, then I can click stop recording and then I can go to the next slide, okay? Anyway, now you are all asking about the screen recording. Screen recording is different thing. Let me stop sharing my screen. Screen recording is when you record your whatever is on your screen completely. For example, now we both are talking, right? So I can do the screen recording too. You don't have to always do the screen recording on your PowerPoint. You can do the screen recording of anytime of any screen on your computer. Do you know how to do the screen recording? You don't know? Like you don't have to, we don't do really a lot of screen recordings on PowerPoint or Word or Excel. You can do overall screen recording. I mean, our Zoom is currently being recorded because I'm recording a video. But what if I want to record whatever I am doing is on my computer? Like I am going to the Google, I am going to the YouTube, I am going to check my emails, I'm going to open this Word file, I'm going to open this Excel file. So what I can do to see all the to do all this recording, I can show you. So what you have to do is you have to press on, I'm not sure if this option is available on your computer, but what you have to do, you have to press on your keyboard Windows button, Alt button, and R button at the same time. I think it's this key, if I'm not wrong. I have done multiple time recording. Yes, and you can see, let me share my screen with you. Let me open the Zoom so that you can see this button opened on your right hand side, which is showing you 0.0020. Here, if I stop my screen record, now whatever I will do on my computer, my screen will be recorded. You see, I am going down, my screen is still recorded because this is here. If I go down, everything is recorded, whatever I do, right? If I go to like anything, for example, I want to go to my calendar, I can see my calendar. I want to go to, I was doing a video editing for AVS video editor. I can go to video editor. I can even go to any other files here. You see here is the different files. And I can go to my PowerPoint. I can go down. And now if I want to stop my screen recording, you see, I will move again to this part, this blue button. You see this blue button here where I'm clicking the mouse? It says stop recording. So I will stop recording. And now it is saved as game clip recorded. So I want to go to my game clip. So you see how I went to this one? I clicked, actually, let me exit all. You click window and G button on your keyboard, on keys on your keyboard together. And then you go show all captures. You click this and then you click, you see my video is here. I can even cut this video. I will go to the folder, this folder button. I can say continue. It opened my, you see here is my recording. Let me cut it and paste it on desktop so I can show you how this screen recording works. And let me play it for you. You will see whatever I did on my computer is recorded in this video. Let me show you. Let me actually mute myself on Zoom before I play because I okay, somehow it did not it did not make the complete screen video. So I'm not sure why, but most of the times when I do it, it takes everything there. Okay, I will stop the session here. Maybe we can do the screen video next time too. So now I would like to ask you if you have any questions. Do you have any questions? Because I think my screen video has some problem, but we made another video on PowerPoint. So do you guys have any questions? If you guys have any questions, you can ask me. No? So how's your day so far? Everything is good? You can answer me. How was your day?
If you are going to record a video while you are preparing your video, how will you do it? That place I couldn't get it very well.
if you are going to record your video while you are doing the stuff on the PowerPoint, you do the same way as you did on the PowerPoint. You remember I showed you. You want to see it again? Let me,
Yes.
okay, let me show you. Here, okay, home button, you go to the recording, you go to the recording, and then you go to the record slideshow, you go to the beginning, record from the beginning, then you hit recording button on each slide. For example, on first slide, I want to record, you will hit the record, and then you will hit the stop. And then you go to the next slide, you can hit record, and then you can hit stop. You can even show your video. If you see on your bottom ribbon, like the bottommost ribbon, there is a video sign. I cannot turn on my video right now because my video, I think that's also the reason why screen recording did not work so well. So in the bottom one, you can see there is a camera. So you can even turn this camera on and then you can show your video too. When you are done with recording here, you go and you click this cross button, close, and then you click export to video, and then it will be exported to video and saved on your computer as a MP4. Okay, all good? I will upload this video now on YouTube. Okay, so you can watch it and you can see it. Screen recording, I can tell you the keys in chat box. To screen recording, you have to window key plus alt key plus R key. When you press this, then whatever you have to press all three keys together. So press all three keys together. When you press all three keys together, then whatever you are doing on your computer will be like it is for the screen recording. Screen recording, general, in general, like not in PowerPoint or not in like this, in general, which means whatever you do is recorded. Okay, and when you want to see, when you want to stop the recording, then when you like to stop recording your screen, simply click blue button on recording ribbon, and if you like to access your video off screen, you can press window plus G together, both keys together, game bar will be opened. In game bar, go to, I think it was, let me see. Yeah, it was show all captures. Okay. So go to show all captures, and then that I can actually show you on screen. Let me show you. Let me share my screen. Let me make it down. So game bar, window plus G. This is how the game bar will be opened. This is the game bar. Oh, I closed it, I think. Let me move you here so I can go again. This is the game bar that is open. In game bar, I will go to show all captures. And I will go to the gallery. In gallery, there is a button, open in a file explorer. I go to the file explorer. It asks me to continue. I will continue. And this is how, if there will be a recording, it will be saved here, okay? So this is how you can see your screen recordings too. So any other question you have, I will just stop recording when I end the session and then I will upload it. Do you have any other question? No, all good? How's your, I asked you actually, how's your day? You did not reply me. So how's your day so far? Is it going good or not? Let me unmute you. You cannot hear me or what? Okay, how's your day so far? It's good?
It was fine. Yes.
Okay, so what are you going to do when you go home now? Okay, so you know what? I will let you go home. You all have a good day and take care of yourself, okay? And we see each other on Monday, okay? I will stop recording and take care and bye bye. Bye bye.
Thanks so much for your time.
No worries. Bye bye.